Passing the CISSP exam is just one step. Let's cover how to prove your experience for the full credential. For the full CISSP credential, ISC2 requires 5 years of cumulative paid work experience in at least 2 of the 8 security domains. Cumulative is key. It means your experience can come from multiple jobs, not just one. It's not about your job title, but your actual duties. A system administrator with deep security responsibilities could qualify, while someone with a security title but only sales duties might not. The focus is on your hands-on work in areas like risk management or network security. You might be able to reduce the 5-year requirement to 4. ISC2 offers a 1-year waiver for a qualifying college degree or an approved professional credential. But be careful. First, the waiver is for a maximum of 1 year, even if you have both a degree and a cert. Second, ISC2 updated the approved credential list for 2026. Before you schedule your exam, verify that your specific degree or credential is on the current official list and have your proof ready. Your experience doesn't have to be from a standard full-time job. Part-time work and even internships can count towards your 5 years, which is great for career changers or students. ISC2 has specific rules for calculating this. Full-time is 35 hours a week, while part-time is between 20 and 34. The real challenge is documentation. You must have clear evidence of your role, dates, hours, and responsibilities, and be able to map those duties directly to the CISSP domains. What if you pass the exam but don't have the full 5 years of experience yet? You can become an Associate of ISC2. This gives you up to 6 years to complete the requirement, while showing employers you have CISSP level knowledge. This is a strategic path for those with 3 or 4 years of solid experience. However, it's not a substitute for entry-level certs if you're new to the field. And remember, you cannot call yourself a CISSP until you are fully certified. After you pass the exam, you must complete the endorsement process within 9 months. This isn't just a rubber stamp. An existing CISSP or ISC2 itself will attest that your experience claims are accurate. Your endorser is vouching for your professional history. To make this smooth, prepare your evidence beforehand. This includes a chronological job list, a clear mapping of your duties to the CISSP domains, and contact information for supervisors who can verify your work. A well-prepared packet prevents delays. The most effective way to prepare for endorsement is to map your experience as you study for the exam. Create a simple table for each role, listing your duties and the corresponding CISSP domains. For each duty, ask yourself if you can explain what you did, why it mattered for security, and what evidence proves it. Writing concise, accurate descriptions is far better than padding your application. This dual-track approach of studying and documenting at the same time makes the entire certification process much more predictable. Don't let endorsement be an afterthought. Your CISSP journey involves both passing the exam and proving your professional experience. By preparing your evidence packet while you study, you turn a stressful audit into a straightforward process. For more guides, CISSP practice questions, and study resources to help you connect your knowledge to your experience, visit us at Open Exam Prep. We have the tools to help you prepare for both sides of the CISSP challenge.